Ooh, look at those rocks right there. And if you can see, this one's unique because it's gray. Or tan or something, like all rocks. That's why it's unique. So we're going today to go hunting for some more rocks. So I can do something. As you saw in my last one, the rock is a rare species that's found everywhere but the United Kingdom. Oh wait, there's a rock. Oh, someone's under attack. What do you need, you pesky thingy-majig? You annoyed me enough times at home. What are you trying to do? I'm trying to search for my rock collection. You see, it's all gone. Somebody stole it. Now that right there is someone in need. So we must send some dino justice. Okay. You know something, Zap? I never thought I'd ever see you as a rock hunter, but here is a wonderful rock you must know about. It's a rock! No, it isn't a rock. Well, it is a rock, but it's a species called the one kind of rock. I named it because it was the first one I ever saw. Sweet! Can I have it? No, it's the first one I saw. Okay, fine, shut up, take it. I don't want to see it anymore. Okay. You obtained a rock. Where are the other rocks? Somewhere, you idiot. Rocks are everywhere but the United States. Where are we? In someone's backyard. Duck! Why? Why are we ducking? What? Is there a mouth concussion somewhere? No, there is no mouth concussion. There is no such thing as mouth concussions. Look right there. I don't see anything. That right there is an SUV. It covers rocks. Uh-oh, do you think it could have took my rocks? Don't be silly. It can't even get in your house. My bad. It has wheels. Is it working with the drills? Is it going to give me a mouth concussion? There is no such thing as mouth concussions. There is no such thing as mouth concussions. Are you sure? There is no such thing as mouth concussions. Where's the rock? Ugh. This is why we're rock hunters. I don't know where the rocks are. I'm supposed to be hunting for rocks. We'll get inside my secret fortress. It's our trampoline! No, you're not supposed to reveal it. Okay, nice base. Here is where we collect rocks and study them. Wait, there's only one. Say that works here, that's you. The other ones are busy rock hunting. Oh, hee. You have many relatives that you're funny. Shut up. Well, anyways, we're not here to be funny. We're searching for a rock. Which rock, computer? You're talking to yourself. Shut up. Fine, I'll just place my rock here. See if the computer of wisdom. You taught me. It's a one-of-a-kind rock. Your very first rock. Shut up. That's what I call it. I need to know the exact name. Wait a second. The thief who stole your rock collection must have took, my rock encyclopedia book. It's nowhere to be seen. I put it in the base. Do you think it could have blown away. It was windy yesterday. I remember. That was the day I tried to have a picnic in the rain, but it showered and crashed. Lightning, it went... And then I lost everything. I lost my privilege, I lost my blanket, and I especially lost a piece of grass. But luckily I didn't lose my friends. You are a Dino-Ranging idiot. You know something to find a... Wait a second, I might know where the rock is. Sweet, go, let's go, 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 go. Shh, be very, very quiet. We're hunting rocks. Shut up. We're idiots. No. You're an idiot. I'm an indie. Oh. What the heck is that? Be careful, Zap. If you fall in it, you might never come back. I don't want to fall in it. Well, then don't fall in it. If you don't want to fall in it, don't. Is there gold down there? Is there rocks? No, it's a trap set by the ancient rocks of Rockhood. He carries a bow and arrow, steals from the poor and gives to the rich of all rocks. Sweet, where can I find this one? He died. Rocks can die? That's why they turn to mountains. They die. Shut up. Okay. Here we are, the forest. I have to use the bathroom. Shut up, we're too late. There's no bathroom. Uh-oh, but I really have to go. Uh-oh, spaghetti-o! Fine, use the honking bathroom. I'm hunting for rocks. Okay. Gosh, what an idiot. I have to hunt for these rocks, and yet my partner, doesn't even help me. Gosh, what an idiot. Wait, Zap? Where'd you go? Oh, great, he probably went up into the forest, where it's all icky. Ah! I remember I had done here for a turkey. Yet, Voodooed and Double Trouble made sure there were no turkeys. I still have to kill them. Oh, it's a long pointy rock. It's so amazing. Oh, it's even moving. Oh my god. I upset it. Okay, Zap. Where are you? Zap? Oh, I probably went out the forest. He probably... no rocks in sight. Look at that cloudy sky. Well, even if there isn't any rocks, I tried. They're probably in the deepest core. Rocks don't like to come at the time of spring. Why do I feel like such an idiot? I'm Dino-Rang. I'm not supposed to be, you know, failing. I'm a rock hunter. And that's what rock hunters do. They hunt rocks till the rock is haunted. Yay! Well, anyways, I'm gonna sit right here. I have to use the bathroom. Oh my god! Zap, it's you! Where were you? You were really worrying me. Oh, look at that! It's a new rock species called Manure! Oh my god! Zap, where'd you find this one? I came out of my body! Whoa, we're rich. We're gonna make like so much money off of this. Yay! Wait a sec. Where are we? I can't even see face from here. We're lost, Zap. And this is all your fault. My fault? You led me into this crazy woods. Well, why don't we just keep going straight so we can reach base? Okay, then straight it. Oh no, what happened to my arm? Anyways, bye-bye, Dino-Rang. You're so funny. Which way is space? Is it left or right? Hey, cuties! From Dora the Explorer, my favorite TV show in the world, do you know which way is left and which way is right? Right is always right. Left, right. Thank you, kids! Doctor? Anyone? Gonna have an arm issue. Zap? Zap? Don't worry. I may have failed this time, but wait till another episode of Dino-Rang's Wildlife Nature Show. We honestly need to change that title one day or another.